Hello, in front of me I've got Starsand Island. In this video I'll show you how to craft livestock food. To craft livestock food, firstly we need feeder. We can buy the blueprint for feeder in Zerings general store. Now, craft it. And next, place the feeder. Once the feeder is placed, select process and select food you'd like to make. Process and confirm. Make sure to have plants growing to always have food for your pets. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.